Finding the best dog brush for shedding for puppy is more than grooming. It is about comfort, bonding, and healthier fur for your little companion. It transforms shedding time into a calm routine while protecting delicate puppy skin and building trust between pet and owner through gentle, consistent care that makes grooming feel like love rather than a chore. There are many dog brush for shedding to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best dog brush for shedding from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The SleekEZ Dog Brush for Shedding and Dog Grooming Supplies is a game-changing grooming tool designed to save you money while delivering professional-level results at home, making it perfect for both short-haired and long-haired dogs across all coat types, as its patented design gently grabs loose hair at the tips and removes it effortlessly without painful tugging or skin irritation, turning grooming into a relaxing, massage-like experience that pets actually enjoy rather than resist, while significantly reducing shedding and leaving coats softer, cleaner, and healthier looking after every use. And beyond pet grooming, this versatile tool doubles as a powerful hair remover for carpets, couches, car seats, bedding, and more, ensuring quick and easy cleanup with minimal effort, while its lightweight, ergonomic build allows for comfortable extended use without hand fatigue, making it an essential addition to any pet grooming kit. And customers consistently praise its efficiency, noting it removes more loose fur in less time compared to traditional tools, often outperforming popular alternatives while being more gentle and cost-effective, ultimately making it an excellent gift choice for pet owners seeking a reliable, high-quality grooming solution that keeps homes cleaner and pets happier with less shedding and stress. Number 2. The oneisall Dog Grooming Vacuum is an all-in-one professional grooming solution designed to make pet care effortless, combining powerful vacuuming and grooming in a single device that captures up to 99% of loose hair directly into a spacious 1.5L dust container, keeping your home clean and mess-free while you groom, making it perfect even for beginners who want salon-quality results at home without expensive groomer visits. While its versatile 7-in-1 kit includes clippers, a paw trimmer, nail grinder, grooming brush, and de-shedding tools that can be used both with the vacuum or separately thanks to cordless functionality, giving you total flexibility to groom anywhere. And the low-noise 59 dB operation with adjustable suction levels ensures a calm, stress-free experience for pets, helping them stay relaxed throughout grooming sessions, while the powerful yet gentle trimming delivers smooth, precise results on all coat types. And the extended 5.2-foot hose and 8.7-foot power cable provide excellent reach for indoor or outdoor use, while the detachable dustbin allows quick, hygienic emptying and the included storage bag keeps everything organized. And users consistently praise its strong suction, ease of use, and time-saving performance, noting that it removes large amounts of hair quickly while leaving coats looking neat and professionally groomed, making it a smart, cost-effective investment for pet owners. Number 3. The AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit delivers powerful, professional-grade grooming at home with up to 12,000 pascals strong suction that captures nearly 99% of shed hair directly into the dust container, preventing fur from spreading across your furniture and floors and keeping your home consistently clean and fresh. While its ultra-quiet design operating below 50 dB ensures a calm grooming experience that won't scare even sensitive pets. And with 3 adjustable suction levels you can easily customize power for different coat types and sensitive areas, making it safe and comfortable for both small and large dogs. While the 5-in-1 grooming system includes clippers and 6 guide combs, 3mm to 24mm, that allow precise trimming for any coat length, giving your pet a neat, salon-quality finish at home without expensive grooming visits. And the large-capacity dust cup allows extended grooming sessions without constant emptying and features a quick-release design for easy, mess-free disposal, while the flexible 4.9 feet detachable hose improves reach and keeps pets comfortably away from motor noise, especially helpful for anxious animals. And customers consistently praise its strong suction, durable build, quiet performance, and ease of use, noting that it efficiently removes heavy shedding from thick coats like Huskies and German Shepherds while saving significant grooming costs, making it a reliable, long-lasting, and highly effective grooming solution for pet owners who want cleaner homes and healthier, well-groomed pets. Number 4. The oneisall Dog Clipper Low Noise is a beginner-friendly, pet-safe grooming tool designed to make at-home grooming simple, quiet, and stress-free, operating at under 50 dB with a noise-reduced motor that helps even sensitive pets stay calm during trimming, while its one-touch start system gets you going in just 1 second, making it extremely easy to use even for first-time groomers. And with 6 adjustable guide combs, 3/6/9/12/15/18 mm, it offers flexible styling options for different coat lengths so you can achieve a neat, professional-looking finish without expensive salon visits, while the upgraded stainless steel fixed blade ensures sharp, smooth cutting performance with a 3-layer safety design that reduces the risk of nicks and keeps grooming secure for your pet. And the clipper is built for convenience with a detachable cutter head that rinses clean in seconds, maintaining hygiene and long-term performance with minimal effort, while its cordless design and charging while use feature provide uninterrupted grooming sessions, and trusted by over 1.5 million households over 10 years, it has become a popular choice among pet owners for its reliability, ease of handling, and cost-saving benefits, especially when managing thick, tangled, or long coats, where it efficiently cuts through mats and heavy fur while remaining gentle enough to keep pets relaxed, making it an ideal grooming solution for maintaining your pet's coat at home with comfort, control, and confidence. Number 5. Buenkee Dog Grooming Kit with Vacuum is an all-in-one grooming solution designed to make at-home pet care cleaner, faster, and stress-free. Combining professional clippers with powerful vacuum suction, it instantly captures loose fur while you trim it into a large 2L dustbin for mess-free grooming. With up to 15,000 Pascal suction power and a quiet motor around 50 dB, it keeps pets calm while offering 3 adjustable suction levels for customized comfort. The complete grooming kit includes multiple guard combs, a de-sting brush, and easy-to-use attachments for clipping, brushing, and maintaining all coat types. Designed for modern homes, it features smart storage with a bag included, keeping everything organized and compact for apartments or small spaces. The 2L dustbin allows longer grooming sessions without frequent emptying, and the quick-release system makes cleanup effortless and hygienic after use. Pet owners love its efficient performance, noting reduced salon costs, less mess, and professional-looking results even on thick or curly coats like golden retrievers or cavapurs. Backed by a 1-year worry-free warranty and responsive customer support, it ensures a confident and satisfying grooming experience for every pet parent. Perfect for reducing shedding, saving time, and keeping your home fur-free after every grooming session with ease. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.